Right, we're just on our returns today. We've got this box to go back to. When I checked it last month, there was really small young in, so we've come back today, and hopefully there'll be some owls ready to ring. So let's go up and have a look. Right, so it looks like we've got 3 owlets there. Look absolutely fantastic, ready to ring. Could even be 4. Right, so I'll get them down. Right, so yeah, there's 3 owlets in the box. All around about 6 weeks old. This is a lovely female. Yep. Yeah, as I say, we're just on our returns today. We've checked near enough all the boxes. There's just the odd one here and there, but generally all the nest boxes are checked. And then what we have is our returns where we've been to a box and they're either on eggs or they've got really small young where we can't ring, so we make a note of it, when to come back. And today we're returning to 4 returns. That's 65mm. Yeah, a little bit cooler today, which is a lot better. It's been really hard going out in them fields and it's bloody 30 odd Celsius. Not nice. This is nicely fed.
Bit quieter, this one.
Yep. It's a male. So yeah, we've ringed about 185 up to now. So we're getting close to that 200 mark. I don't want to get to the point where I need glasses for ringing, so I'm trying to hold off, but it's starting to get a bit of a struggle. 55mm, just a day or 2 younger.
Cute.
Absolute beauty. Never tire of doing this. So that's first, second, third. I place them in order and then I weigh them just at the end all in one go. But yeah, this is really nicely fed. Oh. Female. So we've got two females and a male.
Oh.
They're great at this age where you can see the heart-shaped face.
Yeah.
Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, another really well-fed owlet. They're all really close in age of these. Yeah, just that's them ringed, so just give them away now. That'll be it. this is the third one. That's 400 grams. This one's 425. This was the first one that we ringed. So this one's 380 grams. So yeah, as I say, all in all, we've got about 30 odd boxes to go back to, which will equate to, you know, at various different times. We've got owls that we need to get back to next week, and then the last of the check-in will be done like end of August, unless anything else comes up. But yeah, there's a couple of sites to go back to at the end of August, but a lot of the returns is at the end of July. We've got quite a lot then, so yeah, we'll just tick them off. But the main thing is to get around the boxes and to see what stage the owlets are at. You know, you can't just like guess, or I'll go at the end of July, because that's usually when I ring them, you know, because it just varies so much, you know. So we're at the point now where we've got owls that are flying now, coming out of the box ready to fly, and his owl's still on eggs. So you just have to monitor all the boxes in one go as quick as you can, you know, within like it takes me like 4 weeks to monitor these owls, all the first check, and now we've got all like the returns, which we'll be doing right through July and August, and then hopefully at the end of August that'll be it. So I don't know what sort of year it'll be for second broods. There might be a few pairs that do try and have a second brood, because it is a decent year, which is really good, you know, considering last year was a really good year. This one's been a good year as well, so I'm pleased that it's been 2 good years in a row. So right, we'll get these owls back in the box and leave them be. Thanks for watching.